Guys, we got a beautiful S2000 2.0L model. That's funny. It's really clean. The guy's really maintained it, as you guys can see. And then he brings this to us so we can chop it up and make it sound good. We haven't done anything yet. Let me show you guys what it looks like before. So it's got long tube headers, factory, then cat is right there. Then this thing, if you guys ever look at it, that's for sound, for drone canceling. The sound waves go into here, break off, and go back out. And then the waves, they break apart, and it cuts down on the drone. Then you got the resonator there, and then it splits out on each side right there and right there. And they did it again for the drone. They added that pipe in here, and that's to make it quieter. And so the air passes in here, then goes back out. Through this loop, back in, and then out. So it cuts down on drone even more. I know it's a lot of mathematical stuff going into it, into the sound waves.
Sound wave superior, Constructicons inferior. Who are you calling inferior?
The physics stuff. Anyways, we're gonna cut them off. We're gonna do just a muffler replacement with 2 vibrant, ultra quiet resonators. There's the part number and the size. So stay tuned. Try to talk them into putting some new tips on it too. So, because I don't think I like those tips. They're scratched on the bottom on each side. But that's what it looks like. We're going to let you guys hear what it sounds like before in a second. Stay tuned. Like I was telling you guys, this car is really, really clean. Look at this thing. Not a lot going on. You don't need a lot. And like he was saying in his license plate, 9K red line. That's crazy. It's all rev limiter. There's no speedometer. Just rev limiter. I like that. I'll record it when he starts it. Way ahead of its time. Go ahead, rev it. Oh, it's really cool. We're not going to rev it a lot. It's only got 81,000 miles on it. It's not our car. We only rev up to 4,000 usually. I just wanted to show you guys that. That is so cool. What do you think of it, Juan? I know you like it.
I want it.
I want it. I need it in my life. Today? All right, go ahead. This is before, guys. Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 83. One last time. Stay tuned, guys. It's never going to sound the same again. All right, guys, so we got it done. 2000 S2000 by beautiful Honda. All right, they need to bring that back. Anyways, header stayed the same. Cat stayed the same. Drone canceling technology stayed the same. Resonators stayed the same. Y-pipe stayed the same. Then we took out the 2 mufflers like I was telling you guys and replaced them with 2 vibrant ultra quiets. One there, one right there. There's the part number on the vibrants. There'll be a link in the description for it. There's the 2 tips we chose. We put new tips on it. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, as you guys can see. Very nice. Check it out. Clean. Just a little bit bigger than the originals. Looks a lot cleaner. It just fits that gap nice. And we tucked them up too, as you guys can see. All right? Anyways, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. Honda S2000 by the year 2000. Oh, yeah. I'm glad we didn't go with the bigger mufflers. That's clean. Yeah, it sounds clean. Here's sound decibels. Right at 93.2. I'm gonna record it for him. That's really clean. Again? I don't think you need more than that. That's clean, clean. Just a good sounding car. I'm just letting the customer know. He's not here. I'm recording and gonna send it to him. One last time. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 95. This is our beautiful shop, guys, in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. Here's our number. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital. Hit us up if you guys ever need anything. or just give us a call if you need any advice. Yeah, it sounds really nice. Convertible too. All right. I'm telling you guys, it's clean. Look, you don't find them this clean. Definitely a collectible. All right, here's drive off for you guys. You ready? It's clean. Not too loud, not too raspy, just clean. I like it.